All right, it's January 24th. We're somewhere in Missouri, and we've got a line of rabbits right here. We got 36 rabbits today on this hunt. There they all are.
And 2 squirrels.
And 2 squirrels. Thanks to Brian. There's 6 hunters. We got Brian. We got Jeremy. We got Josh. We got Litch. And Lucas. And we've got 8 beagles. 8 tired beagles. There's old Duke jumping a lot of rabbits today. There's Blue. There's Bandit. There goes Leah. There's April and Lucy. There we go. 36 rabbits.